4 ways to get started with meditation today. So, you've decided. Today is the day. You've been thinking about trying meditation for a while now, but you're finally going to take the plunge and do it. Allow me to be the first to congratulate you. It's a great decision that will unquestionably make your life better in a myriad of ways. But how to begin? This is the question that so many people struggle with, and that so many people are unsure of. In this post, we'll explore the answer and see just how you can begin with meditation right away. 1. Use a guided meditation. One option is to try using a guided meditation. That means you'll be listening to a script that will talk you through the process. This will let you know where you should be focusing your attention and how you should be breathing, etc. While meditation can simply involve looking at a candle or listening to your breathing, having someone talk you through the process can make it a lot less daunting and ensure that your first attempt is successful. You'll be able to find plenty of scripts by looking on YouTube. 2. Visit a teacher. Many forms of meditation, such as transcendental meditation, require the help of a teacher to guide you through. Even if you can perform the meditation on your own, though, having guidance from someone who knows what they're doing can often be a useful way to improve your success. If you want to start today, then try asking a friend who already meditates, or perhaps seeing if you can find a nearby yoga class. 3. Try a breath awareness meditation. If you're going to try and meditate on your own, however, then a good method is to use breath awareness meditation. Here, you will be focusing on your breathing and simply counting breaths in and out. That alone can be enough to help you focus your mind, and it's a very simple method to get started with. 4. Try a progressive relaxation. Finally, another form of meditation that is very easy to try out on your own is progressive relaxation or body scan meditation. Here, you focus on each muscle and then consciously relax it to release all tension. Start with the forehead, releasing any tension in your brow. Then move on to your ears, jaw, neck, shoulders, chest, and so on until you reach your feet.